Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be looking at sets and we have reached section 3 of the CXC syllabus, right? Which is great. And this section is quite easy, guys, all right? All right, so it says a set is a collection of items usually of the same kind. It can be denoted by a capital letter, example A is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is a set. And a set may be defined by listing the members or describing them. So for example, you have A is equal to ABC, right? Or A is equal to the first three letters of the English alphabet. Cool? So, right, the first three letters of the English alphabet are A, B, and C. So this is how you can describe a set instead of just listing the members. Cool? All right. So it says a set is well defined when all its members can be listed. Okay? And that's very true. So let's just give an example. It says all the teams in the set P is equal to all the teams in the English Premier League. And everybody knows that there are 20 teams, right? Well, most people do. And this is common knowledge, okay? There are 20 teams, and right now you can find that listing of that 20 teams anywhere on the internet, right? So it's pretty well defined. But this set C says a set of cards. Now, this is not well defined, guys. And the reason why it's not well defined is because a set of cards could be 52 cards, or it could be 54 cards, including the jokers, right? Or it could be two sets of playing cards, which is 104 cards, right? Or maybe it's 108 cards because they include the jokers, right? So we have no idea how many cards are in this set, okay? So that's why it's not well defined, okay? All right, so let's look at some examples now. All right, guys, let's look at some examples of what a set is. And let's just move on. All right, guys, great. So we're going to look at these examples here. And we have the definition. A set is a collection of items, usually of the same kind. The curly brackets or braces mean the set of. All right, cool. So let's look at these examples now. All right. And it says list the numbers in the following sets. Cool. Or list the elements. It should say elements. List the elements or numbers in the following set. Cool. And the first one says A is equal to the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So this would be 2, 4, 6, and 8. Cool. Because those are the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. All right. And the next one says a set of odd numbers from 0 to 10. So that would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Cool. And then the last one here says C is equal to the set of vowels in the English alphabet. And we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. All right. So these sets are well defined, and we were able to list all the elements in the set. All right. Cool. So let's do another example now, guys. All right. All right, guys, great. So let's look at this example here. And it says list the following sets in words. Okay. So for the first one here, it just has A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So let's list that in words. Okay, guys. Let's list that in words. And A, wow. All right. So A would be equal to, I could say this, the first three numbers of the natural number set. Okay. And this makes perfect sense because remember, natural numbers are equal to it's like counting numbers. So it's 1, 2, 3, and those are the first three numbers in the natural number set. Okay. All right. So B says red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, right? So these are the colors of the rainbow. So that's all I have to say here. The colors of the rainbow. Okay. All right. And the last one here, we have a list of universities. It's Brown, Columbia, Cornell, Dartmouth, Harvard, Princeton, UPenn, and Yale, right? And if you didn't know, now you know, guys. This is the set of the Ivy League universities in the United States. In the US. All right. So hopefully a couple of you guys will be going to these universities. All right. Cool. Okay. So right. So pretty much done with describing sets now. We're gonna move on to some more interesting sets here. All right. All right, guys. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.